crime branch on Tuesday quizzed Sara Pacheco, the estranged wife of former tourism minister Francisco Xavier Pacheco, over the death of 28-year-old Nadia Tirado. Sara, who is facing a divorce petition from Mickey, arrived at the crime branch office at 10:30 a.m. on Tuesday morning, along with the president of the NGO, Bailando Equod, Orda Vegas. Officials stated that Sara is being questioned over the death of Nadia, a woman who allegedly consumed poison and died on May 30th. Mr. Pacheco, along with his close aide, Lyndon Montero, are accused of the death of Nadia Tirado. Mr. Pacheco and Mr. Montero are on the run after the crime branch accused them in Nadia's death. Speaking to media persons, Ms. Vegas said that Sara married Mickey in 1999 and their marriage ran into trouble in 2004. In December 2008, Sara filed a complaint of domestic violence against Mr. Pacheco, claiming that he abused her often and threw her out of the house.
Sara Pacheco आमचे कडेन 2008 आयले आनी आपल्याक मदत कर म्हणपा लागले कारण आपल्याक घोव टॉर्चर हॅरसमेंट करता आनी ताचे वायलंट बिहेवियर आपल्याक सहन जायना आनी आपल्याचे ताणी खूब प्रॉपर्टी डिस्पोजेस करपाचे केल्या आपल्याची प्रॉपर्टी ताणी डिस्पोजेस करपाचे केला आपल्याक आनी आपूण आतां कांय ना आपल्या कडेन आनी आपल्या झगडपाची ताकद ना म्हणून आनी आमची एक संघटना आनी बायलां लागून वावुरतात म्हाका दिसलें ना की तो मिनिस्टर म्हणून आमी उगी रावचे म्हणून आमी ताची केस घेवन ताका पूर्णपणे आदार केला आणि सध्याक ताचे कोर्टान केसी चलतात.
Subsequently, in January 2009, Mr. Pacheco filed a divorce petition seeking to separate from Sara. Sara has also filed complaint of forgery against Mr. Pacheco last year, alleging that he sold all her flats and a vehicle, which was in her name, by forging her signature. Ms. Vegas said that Sara was not well and could not attend the summons which were issued earlier.
ताचेर फ्रॉड चलता फॉर्जरी चलता मागीर प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ वुमेन फ्रॉम डोमेस्टीक वायलन्स हे चलता आनी हे घालतरीच मागीर मिकी पॅचेकोन ताची डायवोर्स केस घातल्या अजून पर्यंत कांय केस डिसायड जावं ना मग अजून पर्यंत तो साराचो घोव आसा म्हणटरीच एक बायल आसतना दुसरी बायल करून ताचे बरोबर भुरगीं बी जावन आनी तांकां घेवन रावप हे गोंयचे कल्चरान बसना म्हणटरीच आमकां ताका मदत करची पडली.